Guys, what's up? My name is Alyssa Marie and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make this super cute personal little photo monogram. And if you want to see how I made this, keep on watching. To start off this DIY, you'll need 3 wooden letters that make up your monogram, and make sure the initial for your last name is the biggest because that's always the one that goes in the middle. You'll also need spray paint or whatever material you want to cover the outside letters of your monogram. You're also going to need some Mod Podge or something similar and something to apply it with. And when I use Mod Podge, I always use these little sponges because they're super cheap and I feel like they just work the best when it comes to applying it onto whatever surface you need. You're also going to need some scissors. And lastly, you're going to need tons of pictures of whatever you prefer. I chose pictures with my friends and my family, but you can choose whatever you want. Just make it your own. And now that you have all the materials, we're going to head outside and get started on this DIY. So the very first step to this DIY is to spray paint the outside letters of your monogram. And as you can see, I always do a little test spray just to get used to how the paint comes out of the can to make sure it goes on evenly. And as your spray paint is drying, you're going to want to go ahead and trim down all your pictures just to make sure you have enough room on your letter for all of them. And before you paste your pictures down, you're going to want to go ahead and organize them just to see how you would want them to be placed on the letter. And once you've figured out the placement of your pictures, you can go ahead and start attaching them to your letter. And I found that the easiest way to attach the pictures is to work from the top to the bottom on one side and then repeat the process on the other. By the time you finish applying your pictures, your spray paint should be dry. So I went ahead and sprayed a second layer just to make sure the paint was even. After you're sure that your Mod Podge is dried, you're going to go ahead and turn the letter over and start cutting off the excess from the pictures, just to give it a cleaner look. And once you finish with this last step, your letter should look something like this. Hey guys, welcome back. Now that I've finished making this, I went ahead and stuck it together to make one piece, and you don't have to. You can hang it in 3 separate pieces or do as I did and make one big piece. I think this is just a super cute way to personalize your space and make your room a little extra cute. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did enjoy it, make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel, and don't be afraid to comment any questions or ideas for future content. Bye guys!